Welcome back. On this video I will talk about traffic circles, and how to use a traffic circle. Firstly, you should know that there are, in fact, two different types of circles used on South African roads to direct traffic flow. Each has a different set of rules when it comes to who goes first and how. First we will start with the mini traffic circle. A mini circle is identified by broken yield lines at the approach, and a small island hump in the middle of the intersection which the driver must go around and not drive over. Essentially, a mini circle is much like a four-way stop. A dead stop is not required, but a slow approach, ensuring the circle is free of traffic before proceeding, is safest. Next, the roundabouts. These are more complex. Intersection is a traffic circle which some countries call a roundabout. These are often larger, multi-lane intersections with large circles. These circles cause the most confusion, frustration, and collisions. Drivers are often uncertain who has right-of-way or how to indicate correctly in a traffic circle. In South Africa, we approach a traffic circle from the right, yield to traffic on the right and go around it clockwise. Seems straightforward. The trouble crops up once you are inside the circle. The main culprits for sideswipes and collisions here are drivers who are unaware of how to exit a traffic circle. They often do so driving at speed and failing to indicate their next actions. Approaching the traffic circle, figure out which lane you should be in for your onward direction before entering the circle. If you're taking the first exit in the circle, enter in the left-hand lane if possible. If you're taking the last exit, enter in the right-hand lane and apply the exit rules. Changing lanes within a traffic circle, depending on traffic conditions in the circle, you may be forced into an inappropriate lane. You should only proceed to the correct lane once it is safe to do so. If you enter the circle in the inner, right lane and want to exit immediately left, you should, in fact, drive around the circle until you are able to move to the outer lane without hindering any traffic in the outer lane that may be wanting to proceed to the next exit. Indicating in and exiting a traffic circle, your indicator should be used to signal your intended use of the circle. As you enter a circle, indicate whether you will be turning left or right out of the circle. As you move past the exit before your intended exit, change your signaling to match your path. If you're going left, indicate left. If you're going right, indicate right. Move out of the circle only if there is no traffic hindering your safe exit. If you're still confused and want to watch a short clip of traffic circles, here's one.
Must give way to any vehicles already on the roundabout before you enter. And if the lanes approaching the roundabout are marked with arrows, make sure you follow their direction. Otherwise, if you're planning to turn left, here's the way to do it. Approach the roundabout in the left lane or line of traffic. Then, signal left as you approach the roundabout, continue to signal left as you exit the roundabout, and turn your indicator off after you've exited. If you want to drive straight ahead on a roundabout, you can approach without signalling. But make sure you signal left as you exit, and turn your indicator off after you've left the roundabout. To make a right turn, approach the roundabout in the right lane or line of traffic, then signal right as you approach the roundabout, and continue to signal right until you're ready to exit. Then signal left before you exit the roundabout. The same rule applies if you intend driving beyond the right turn exit.